On March 5th, 2024, the internet quietly stopped being real. No announcement, no news cycle, no viral moment. Just a quiet algorithm update from the world's most powerful company, and the version of the internet you grew up with was gone. Most people didn't notice. You probably didn't notice. And that's exactly the problem. Because right now, over half of every click, every search, every page view on the internet is not a human being. It's a machine talking to another machine about content created by a machine. This isn't a conspiracy theory. This is documented, verifiable, and it's already happened. Here's a number worth sitting with: 50. That's the percentage of all internet traffic today generated not by people, but by automated bots, AI scrapers, and machine systems crawling, copying, and interacting with content at a scale no human can match. For every real person reading an article, a bot has already read it, summarized it, and used it to generate 10 more articles that sound exactly like it. And today's AI-generated content is indistinguishable from the real thing. You are already reading AI content daily, you just can't tell. On March 5th, 2024, Google rolled out a core algorithm update. The pitch was clean: deprioritize low-quality content, reward genuine, useful websites. It was not what the internet needed. Within weeks, independent websites that had spent years building real audiences lost everything overnight. One review site reported losing 91% of its Google search traffic in a single day. The sites that replaced them? AI-generated content farms pumping out hundreds of articles daily. The algorithm meant to clean up the internet handed it to the machines. And Google? Google wasn't fixing the problem. Because this might not be a problem for Google at all. According to research, 58.5% of all Google searches now end without the user clicking a single link. Google answers you, inside Google, and you never leave. AI researchers call it model collapse. It's what happens when a machine learning model trains on data generated by AI, absorbing errors, compounding flaws, degrading with every cycle. Some compare it to inbreeding, a defect passed down and amplified until the damage is permanent. Europol warned that by the end of 2026, as much as 90% of all online content could be AI-generated. 9 out of 10 things you read online, not real. The internet doesn't need to be switched off to die. It just needs to talk to itself long enough. Every search you run, every AI summary you accept without clicking through, you are training the machine replacing the internet you grew up with. The day the internet died was a Tuesday. Nobody noticed. The question is, what you do now that you know. Look at that grid. 13 machines, 1 human. That warm square isn't a design choice. It's a warning. The network has been talking to itself for so long, it no longer knows what a real signal sounds like. Loops feeding loops, gears turning gears. No new information entering the system. Just the machine, endlessly, quietly consuming itself. And somewhere in the middle of all of it, you, still searching, still clicking, ringed on every side by screens you didn't fill. Every keystroke you send upward feeds something that grows larger every time you use it. You are not the customer. You are the input.